This video, I'll show you how to install the modern core pack in GTA San Andreas, perfect for low-end PCs. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the modern vehicle pack and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. So stuff here, right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing this mod, pack up your San Andreas folder, copy and paste it in same location, rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder. Open the modern vehicle pack. Select all the files using Ctrl plus A and then drag and drop inside. Enter password type GTA mod man and click on OK. Replace the file in the destination and then go back in WinRAR. Open the exe. Again open the folder, drag and drop this exe inside. Right click on this 14,000 KB and select show more options, send it to desktop, create shortcut. Now you need to launch the game through the newly created shortcut. Once you are in game, as you can see, all vehicles are changed. Look at their Lamborghini. Now you need to press the sound key in your keyboard to spawn this menu and use the up arrow and down arrow. You can choose the options. To select the option, press the space bar and spawn Lamborghini. Once you spawn the car you like, press enter to get into the car and the menu will be closed. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.